Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool mode right here, and basically what this is some pan lid holder that you can put inside like your drawers, or if you guys want to put this inside like your cabinet, you guys can definitely do both. If you guys can see the image right here, they show you guys an example of how to actually use it. If you can see, it definitely looks pretty cool. And for this pot actually works for only certain types of lids. It doesn't work for all types of lid. So you definitely want to make sure you guys have the correct lid that can fit this part right here. But you can see this is basically what the pot looks like right here. And it comes with a set of 4 of these. But when you guys view the material on here, it definitely feels like a high quality material. So it definitely can hold your lid inside right here. And this pot is actually really cool. So that way it's actually saves in space. And you guys can put the lid on top right here. Instead of like putting it inside a cabinet if there's not enough space. But you can see in the back right here, they provide you guys instructions on how to set it up and everything. So here is the first one. And I believe there's some more inside. Let's open it up. Alright, so here's one, and then right here is 3 more. And then this is basically what the back part looks like, if you can see. So basically want to peel off the tape right here and just stick it into your cabinet and just leave it for like 24 hours for it to stick on. Then you guys can start putting your lid on top. But this is basically what's included in the product right here and what the product looks like. Let me actually go set this up and show you guys how to install it, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got my little cabin right here. If you can see, we do have some stuff inside right here. And what I plan on doing is to put the lid right here. So what I'm going to do is open up this part right here and stick the tape on the bottom part right here. So that way you can actually put the lid on the bottom right here to save a lot of space. So I'm actually assembling it to show you guys how to set it up. But you just want to make sure you use alcohol to wipe off this part right here first before you guys install it. So you basically want to like measure where you guys want it. So whether you guys want it here or you guys want it here. And you guys want to make sure the lid fits here correctly as well. Because if it doesn't fit, you guys want to make sure you guys adjust it until it fits. So basically you want to put it somewhere around here. And you want to make sure it's straight. Alright, so once you guys have it in, you guys want to press it. So once you guys press it, you can just leave it as is and probably come back and check on it after 24 hours and then try to put the lid on top to see how it supports inside and how it actually works. Alright, so it's been roughly around 24 hours now, so this is the next day. Let me just try to put the lid on top and see how it works. So all you do is go like this. And then we're all set. So the product definitely does work. So if you guys want to put your lids inside right here to keep it all organized, you definitely can. And it's pretty stable as well. You can see, it won't fall out. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully install it. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that actually does work and works quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to install. And after you guys wait over 24 hours for it to fully stick on, then you definitely put the lid inside. If you can see on the product, it definitely holds a good amount of weight inside. And it's actually really stable as well, so you don't have to worry about dropping your lid unless you guys take it out from the actual product. This way also give you guys an easy access to grab the lid instead of like reaching inside the cabinet to actually get it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want to like organize all like your lids and everything inside like the cabinet instead of like having to reach for it or it doesn't fit inside your cabinet, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't even want or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.